you are someone who does not like lace wig or glue, then this wig might be actually perfect for you. And literally install in minutes. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Precious. I create beauty related content. Today I am reviewing this beautiful half wig. And the wig, it comes with this comb, adjustable strap, and another adjustable strap. And this wig is from Wow Angel. It came with instruction and also with their card. And some goodies. Wow, these are the things it came with hair cap, the hairband, 3-in-1 comb, and of course with these two. They are so beautiful, right? In pink. Those are the beautiful things it came with, and they are so nice. This type of wig is perfect for beginners or anyone that just wants something quick. It's very, very good. And my first impression about this wig is that the density is okay and it's perfect, and it's also soft for daily use. I will be installing it in my next videos. Let me know in the comment section if you want a full installation and styling of this wig. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.